This 2026 KZ Connect SE 201 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 24 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, LP detector, oven, slide-out, water heater, awning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.